Hi viewers, in today's video I will show you how to easily change your Facebook account password. So let's get started. First, open your Facebook app, then click on profile icon. Now click on settings. Then click on Account Center. Then click on Password and Security. Then click on Change Password. Then click on Facebook profile. Then type your current password. Now type new password. Then tap on change password. That's it. Your Facebook password is successfully changed.